reds, pinks, nudes, and the cheapest lipstick I have is for 110 rupees and the highest I have is for 1700. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIY and a lot more, and welcome back to another episode of 23 days with Mohini. In 23 videos पे इतना अच्छा response आ रहा है, cannot tell and explain. I'm so happy that you guys are like loving all the series. Most of them are like challenges and fun videos, but I thought थोड़ा सा एक हम video ऐसी भी करते हैं which is like very helpful for you guys. So I am going to share, as you must have read by the title, in this video I am going to share my top 10 lipsticks. So in this video I have 10 different lip shades for you. Like all of them are mostly matte because that's how I like it. Non-transferable, very comfortable to wear, and like how can I explain, they are like mix of shades, reds, pinks, nudes, and the cheapest lipstick I have is for 110 rupees and the highest I have is for 1700. So there's something for everyone, so you should definitely stick by the end of the video to know all the 10 lipsticks I'm gonna talk about. So let's get started. So I've already shot the lip swatches, so lip swatches यहाँ आते रहेंगे as we talk about the lipsticks. So let's start with the nude ones first, and the first one I have is this Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Touch of Spice. Oh my god, this lipstick is just so beautiful. I'll just swatch it for you guys. Can you see how pretty mauvey shade it is? And this is like very comfortable, and it's not, I guess, very expensive as well. So this I guess for 300 or 400, and this like very beautiful like a nude shade, and I think this type of nude shade looks amazing on me, and I guess if you're around my skin tone, this is going to suit so perfectly to you. And now I have a similar shade, which this one is from MAC. This is the Max Meher. Oh my god, just see the difference. There's like very light difference in both of them because both of them look amazing on me. The upper one, the Maybelline one, is a little darker than this one. This has like some light undertones, and this has some more brown undertones. So I love the MAC Meher as well. This is a very beautiful nude shade, and both of these shades are like very comfortable to wear. This is definitely more lasting, and rather than the Maybelline one, it just fades away faster than this one, but the price you pay is also like very different. So but Meher is like my go-to nude lips. You will also find this lipstick in my bag all the time because this is the perfect nude, and I know अगर कुछ नहीं जा रहा तो ये तो मेरी ड्रेस के साथ जाएगी ही जाएगी. So this is like my savior lipstick. Now we have two more nude shades. The first one is the Maybelline Lip Gradation. Maybelline anyway does amazing lipsticks. They have like some amazing ranges, so you should definitely check out Maybelline lipsticks. They're like definitely bomb. I've like, this is the second Maybelline lipstick from this haul. So this is in the shade Mauve one. This is the Lip Gradation, and you guys, this lipstick is like finished. I think जो मैंने आज swatches करूँगी उसमें ही शायद ही खत्म हो जाए. This is like a very nice brown shade. It's like usually मेरे skin tone पे mostly brown shades ऐसे लगते हैं कि they are like too brown for me, too dark for me, but this shade is like a perfect coffee shade, and this looks just so beautiful. I guess this for 600, and it's like so worth the price. Like for 600 you get a lipstick like this, and this is like very long lasting. It's very lightweight, and it's very comfortable to wear and stays up all day, so that's a good thing. The next nude lipstick is again from a very favorite brand, which is Chambord. This is their extreme wear transfer proof liquid lipstick. As it says, it's extreme wear and it's transfer proof. It actually is, like, it's very extreme wear. ये मेरी कहीं नहीं जाती सुबह की लगाई हुई, and like I have like 2-3 shades in this lipstick, and all of them are like very nice. Oh my god, can you see this nude shade? I haven't swatched it here because it was difficult for me to show. So can you see, like, all the nude shades are just so pretty. Like, this is a very beautiful nude mauve shade. Like, it's a mix of mauve and nude and looks so good on me. And this lipstick's for 900 and it's so worth the price, you guys. This is extreme wear. ये नहीं उतरेगी, आप इसको सुबह लगाओगे आपकी रात तक कहीं नहीं जाएगी. This is transfer proof. Just, this is like one of the best lipsticks I've ever tried. इनकी ये सारी रेंज में इतने सुंदर शेड्स आते हैं, so I definitely think you should try out this range once because this is so worth the money. I have emptied out इनकी 1-2 lipsticks and I still have 3-4 from this range, and this is like one of my favorite shades. This is the shade 401 and I love this shade. So those were all the new lipsticks. Now let's move on to the pinks and then we'll go to the reds. While we're talking about pink, the first lipstick I have with you is Nykaa. This is, I guess, from the range Matte to Last. This has like a magnetic what do you call packaging. It's a very nice thing, and this is in the shade Mauve Maniac 46M, and this is like a very matte pink shade. Like, it's a very nice pink shade. It's not very dark, it's not very light. It's like, I guess, a perfect shade, and also you can like build it up. Abhi this is like a single stroke. Now if you like build it up, it'll be a darker shade. So you can just build it up. Agar aapko bilkul sheer coverage chahiye, then you can just like apply one stroke, and if you want like a higher coverage, you can like reapply it. And this is something जो बहुत easily remove नहीं होती है, but ये ऐसी भी नहीं है कि बहुत time रुकती है. तो अगर थोड़ा बहुत मार्केट जाना हो या थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे जाना हो, तो I think this lipstick is a good thing. तो मैं तभी ही इसको लगाती हूँ. The next pink lipstick is one of the recent purchases. You must have seen it in the Nykaa haul. This is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature. This is in the shade 114. I represent. And guys, this lipstick is so good. Oh my god. Just look at the swatch first. Like, it's very pink, and the best thing about this lipstick, it's so lightweight. It's so lightweight, it feels like nothing on your lips, and it does not go away. And the best part is, even if you like ये उतर भी जाती है, then also it has like a very beautiful stain on the lips, which is like perfect because I don't like my lipsticks जो बीच में से गायब हो जाती हैं, सिर्फ like बाहर का layer रह जाता है. That happens with the lip gradation one, but with this lipstick it leaves a very dark and beautiful stain. और इसको थोड़ा remove करने में भी प्रॉब्लम होती है अगर आप 1-2 घंटे बाद ही उतार रहे हो. लाइक आज जब मैं स्वॉचेस करके साथ ही मैंने इसको निकाला तो ये इजीली नहीं निकली लिपस्टिक बिकॉज इसका बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेन रह गया था. बट इफ़ यू हैव लाइक इट फॉर 5-6 आवर्स एंड देन यू रिमूव इट, ऑफ कोर्स इट विल गेट रिमूव्ड. एंड दिस अ very nice shade, very lightweight formula. This also does not transfers. It's very lightweight, very beautiful shade. We also have another nude shade in this lipstick that's also very nice, so I really like this pink one. Then I have one more pink shade and then we'll move on to the red. So the last pink shade which I'm going to talk about is the Blue Heaven Lee Elegance Matte Lip Color. I've shown both of these lipsticks in one of my favorites video. I guess it was the July favorites. So this is in the shade 08. I've shown it to you in Nykaa haul. I've shown it to you in a proper Blue Heaven lipstick tutorial. Not a tutorial, a review. You have seen these lipsticks in that. And you have also seen this in my August favorites or maybe July favorites. So I think you guys are bored of this lipstick, but this is actually good and the shade is so good. This definitely smells like chemicals. I will not deny. This definitely smells like chemicals. This is the shade. This is like a very bright pink magenta shade. And this looks so good on me. This is like very cheap. This for 110 rupees. This has like a chemically formula. It's like very chemically if you smell as well. So I have a full review. I think you should go watch that video to decide for yourselves if you want this lipstick or not. But I have this, so I really like the shade, and this is like super matte. It dries up very quickly. It is transfer proof and it's a very nice shade, and also it stays for a quite long time, so that's a very good thing again. Now we are done with the nudes, we are done with the pinks. Let's move on to the reds because reds are my favorite. Right now also I'm wearing a red, so you can easily tell reds are the best. So the first red lipstick which I have for you is the Chambors again. It's again from the Extreme Wear range. Can you see the repetition of like the brands? And like, so I think I have like 3 brands जिनकी 2 same range की एक lipstick है. So there are like 6 lipsticks, so उसी में से हैं like 4 are different. So the first red shade I have for you is from Chambor. This is basically a maroon shade. So this is again from the Extreme Wear range. This does not remove pura din. This is like a very this like almost over. I'm so sad. How can I swatch it? I hardly got a swatch for my lip. Oh my god. I cannot show it to you properly, but this is like a very nice maroon shade, and this is in the shade 4 408. And guys, this is a very beautiful maroon shade. I'm not so sure if you can like see it or not, because this is like almost finished, and like I told you, if I like something, I finish it to the core. मैं इसको use करके ख़त्म कर देती हूँ. And like this is for 900 and so worth it. I would highly recommend you guys to try out this lipstick. Next we have two lipsticks. एक सबसे सस्ती है, एक सबसे महंगी है. Let's get started with the सस्ती one. So I have this Blue Heaven matte lip color, again in the shade 09. I have already showed it to you in the pink variant because this range is actually good. It's like transfer proof. It's like it stays for a long time. The shades are so beautiful. Like this red shade, oh my god, doesn't look so nice. It looks so good on my like skin tone. It's like a very bright shade. It dries up very quick. It dries up matte. It's like a very beautiful shade. I really like how it looks, and the formula is really good, but I would highly recommend you guys to watch the review before you buy these lipsticks. And next, the last lipstick I have is the one I have on my lips right now. This one is the MAC Ruby Woo. So you will see this lipstick in one of my birthday hauls, because I got this as a birthday present to myself, and oh my god, जब से मैंने ये ली है, I couldn't like wait for my birthday to like start using this lipstick. But this is like a very beautiful red shade. Can you see that? I'm not 100% sure, but I guess this is from the Super Matte range, and this range is amazing. The Meher is from the matte range, but I think this is from the Super Matte range, and this Ruby Woo shade is something, oh my god. This suits every skin type. Bhabhi has this same lipstick and she loves it, and I love it too. And I think if you will buy it, you will love it too, because this formula, this color is something I think every girl should have. Like, you will see in what's in my bag as well, एक मेहर और एक रूबी वू, ये दो लिपस्टिक्स मेरे साथ रहती हैं all the time, because if I'm in mood of a red, I'll go with the red one. If I'm in mood of a nude, I'll go with the meher. And if I am in mix of something, I'll just mix them both and they look amazing. So these are all my lipstick collection. I hope you guys liked it. It was really fun, and it was quite challenging to shoot so many lip swatches, but yes, I did it for you guys. And I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This would mean the absolute world to me. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're liking all the 23 videos. The response till now is really good, so I'm really excited for you guys to see the rest of the videos as well. And till then, bye bye guys. I love you so much.